Done.
محمد ارجع يا
محمد.
الثاني وقع فين؟
You're fine? Really? You need something to help you? No problem, you're safe. You're safe. Everything good? No problem. Thank you for helping us. Everything perfect? You're fine? Really? You need something to help you? No problem, you're safe. You're safe. Everything good? No problem. Thank you for helping us. Everything perfect?
A Kuwaiti resident approached a downed United States fighter pilot in the desert before stepping back after learning the airman was American. In a dramatic moment, captured on video, following the crash of a U.S. F-15 during heightened regional tensions. The incident occurred after an American F-15 E-Strike Eagle went down amid ongoing hostilities involving Iranian aircraft, missiles, and drones. According to U.S. officials, all crew members ejected safely from the aircraft before it crashed. The jet was reportedly brought down in what has been described as a suspected friendly fire incident during the chaos of an active aerial assault. Footage circulating online shows one of the pilots descending by parachute into the Kuwaiti desert as local residents rushed toward the landing site. Initial confusion surrounded the identity of the airman, with some residents reportedly believing he could have been an Iranian pilot due to the color of his parachute canopy. In the video, a Kuwaiti man approaches the pilot cautiously. Others nearby appear armed, reflecting the tense security climate at the time. The pilot is seen complying calmly, raising his hands in a non-threatening gesture. As questions are exchanged, the situation quickly shifts once the locals realize he is American. Witnesses can be heard clarifying his nationality, with one man reportedly saying, "He's an American, leave him." The tone softens almost immediately. The resident who approached him steps back, and the atmosphere transitions from suspicion to reassurance. In a separate clip from the same incident, a female crew member who had ejected from the aircraft is seen standing alone in the desert shortly after landing. A Kuwaiti resident approaches her and asks whether she is injured or needs assistance. She replies, "No, I'm okay." The man responds by assuring her that she is safe and that there is no problem, thanking her and offering help. U.S. military officials later confirmed that all 6 service members aboard the aircraft survived the incident and were recovered in stable condition. Emergency response teams moved quickly to secure the area and transport the aircrew to safety. The crash took place during a period of intense regional conflict, marked by Iranian strikes and counter-operations involving the United States and its allies. Explosions were reportedly heard as the aircraft descended, with witnesses describing flames trailing from the jet before it hit the ground. Local resident Ahmed Al-Assar, who said he rushed toward the scene with others after seeing the parachute, initially believed the pilot could be Iranian. However, upon closer interaction, he and others recognized the airman as American and did not interfere with recovery efforts. Military analysts note that U.S. pilots operating in volatile regions often carry identification cards printed in multiple local languages. These messages typically state that the individual is an American service member who does not intend harm and request assistance in reaching friendly forces, sometimes promising compensation for help provided. The broader conflict has significantly destabilized the region, with missile and drone strikes reported in several Gulf states. Oil prices have risen sharply, commercial flights have been disrupted, and multiple nations have heightened security measures. Despite the wider geopolitical tensions, the exchange in the Kuwaiti desert stood out as a brief human moment amid conflict, a situation that began with uncertainty and suspicion but ended peacefully once the pilot's identity was confirmed. Authorities continue to review the circumstances surrounding the aircraft's downing, while U.S. officials maintain that all personnel involved are receiving appropriate medical evaluation and support following the incident.
You're fine? Really? You need something to help you? No problem, you're safe. You're safe, you're safe. Everything good? No problem. Thank you for helping us. Everything perfect? You're fine? Really? You need something to help you? No problem, you're safe. You're safe, you're safe. Everything good? No problem. Thank you for helping us. Everything perfect?
Go!
Done.
Back up! Okay. محمد ارجع يا
محمد
Back up! American! أمريكان يا جماعة American! يلا أمريكا! خلاص يا جماعة back up! It's okay. الثاني وقع فين؟